Buying used can save thousands, but it also carries risks, including hidden finance and stolen plates to write-offs and mileage fraud. An HPI check is a low-cost way to protect yourself. For around £10 to £20, you'll get a full vehicle history, including finance status, theft records, insurance write-off categories, mileage accuracy, previous owners, and spec verification. It can prevent costly mistakes like buying a repossessable car, overpaying for one with accident damage. While reputable dealers usually run these checks, never assume. Always ask for proof or do your own. Private buyers should treat it as essential, not optional. Bottom line, an HPI check won't replace a test drive or inspection, but it's your first line of defense against scams and legal headaches. For the price of a takeaway, it could save you thousands.